Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I originally was going to sit down and film a 3-step smoky eye tutorial, and if you want to see that, let me know. But then I put on this shirt because I decided that I was going to do blue for that look, and I was just really inspired by the sky blue kind of background and the red rose. I love roses. I thought that was just really minimalistic but still really beautiful, so I decided to recreate this today, even though this technically isn't clouds, it's tie-dye, but I recreated this today and tried my best to do the rose, and if you want to know how I did that, then keep on watching.
Alright, I have an awesome idea for this look, so I want... Okay, so I first was going to start filming this video and just show you guys how to do a simple 3-step smoky eye, just because I haven't been really inspired lately, and I've just been instead of trying to fight that, I've just kind of been relaxing for a minute, and I was just creating other things, putting my creative expression into other projects. But then I put on this shirt that my boyfriend got me because I was going to do a blue 3-step smoky eye for you guys, and I was just like, well, what if I do a blue sky with some clouds and the rose that's on my shirt. Maybe the word lust too, maybe not, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna try to recreate this now, and I'm super excited if it comes out correctly. If it's not gonna come out correctly, then that's gonna kind of suck, but do I want my whole face blue? No, okay. So I'm going to take a sky blue eyeshadow. I'm just going to tell you guys, this is how I work through looks in my mind. Sometimes I look at people's pictures, but most of the time I don't, unless I'm actually recreating that look like I did for the sad Valentine's Day clown. I usually look at the pictures for that, but if I'm not recreating it thing by thing and I'm just taking inspiration from it, I like the colors or the pattern or something, then I just try to do it by memory, and then I put my own spin on it as I'm going because I change things up. But for this, since I'm recreating this shirt and I'm not doing this striped tie-dye pattern, I'm just doing clouds, I'm deciding to put the sky blue eyeshadow all on my face, but then ombre it down onto my cheeks so I can still have a contour, and I'll put the highlight over the blue, and then I'll put the rose on one of my sides. This one has a pimple, so probably not this side, so I'm gonna put the rose over here. Whew, wish me luck, bro. I'm really just scared about the shading. The only thing that I really struggle with now in art is shading, so I need to get better at finding the light source and making it look like there's a light source. So yeah, let's just get started. I'm just going to cover the whole face to start out, so I'm going to go in with some primer first, my Benefit Professional. I'm going to apply my foundation with my M439 brush. Now I'm going to apply some of my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'm going to blend out my concealer with my Morphe sponge. Now I'm going to start where we just concealed using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 05 and my Morphe E48 brush. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face using my Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder and my Morphe M527 brush. Now I'm going to prime my lid using my Morphe M173 brush and my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. Okay, I'm gonna need a nice sky blue, so let's go through some of my palettes and find a nice sky blue. So my Alluring Cosmetics Rainbow Deluxe eyeshadow palette has some nice light blues, but I'm not sure if I'm feeling those ones. I have one in my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, but that's a teeny tiny pan. Jawbreaker has Brain Freeze, which I think is pretty close to the blue in the shirt. Kinda. So I think we're just going to go with Brain Freeze because that's the only color that's really sticking out to me. So I just have this weird big brush. It has nothing on it, so I'm using it to apply Brain Freeze all over my face. Well, up here.
I'm gonna take a big like flat dome shaped brush and make like drips of green freeze. I'm also going to line my eyebrows with this brush as well. Alright, so I added all the blue that I think is going to be good for right now. And I'm going to just put soaked all over the lid with that same flat brush that I was using for the lighter blue. I'm also going to put some dark blue in my waterline and underneath my eye as well. Alright, now I'm going to start making the clouds with my Morphe M421 brush and my BH Cosmetics white concealer. That's a nice cloud. That's like the best cloud I've ever really made. So I made the top bumps in the cloud, and as I went around and did that, it started to pick up some of the blue shadow, so I just wiped that off and picked up more of the white and just kept going in. And then I faded it out towards the bottom, and as I went towards the bottom it picked up more blue, so I just started, once I was good with the shape of the cloud and how it was blending down, I started to blend the blue up into it, but I kept the top part of it still really light. So I'm going to add more clouds and I'll be right back. Alright, I added some drips with the blue and I think it looks really neat. I'm going to add some clouds in the drips to just keep it all cohesive. Alright, I'm super happy with this whole look so far. I'm going to now go in and I'm going to add some highlighter on my face. So taking my finger, I'm going to dip into Hello from the Morphe X James Charles palette and put this in all of my highlighting areas that are up here anyways, not down here. I'm going to put Hello underneath all the clouds as well, just to give them a little sparkle. Alright, I really like soaked all over the lid, but I feel like I could bring it up a little higher and it would look better. So I'm going to take a Morphe M456 brush and dip right into soaked and just blend this upwards. I'm lightly going to contour my face using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Pattern Contour Kit and my Morphe E4 brush. Now we're going to get started on the rose. I am kind of excited. Yeah, I'm excited. Alright, it's a little darker than the bright green in the rose's stem, but I'm going to use it anyway. I'm going to use Jeffree Star's Equality Liquid Lipstick on a Morphe M250-1 brush for the stem today. What? That's not even how it looks. What did I do? That's fine. It's just, what? How did I get this? Whatever. Now I'm going to use red rum on a different M250-1 brush and make the rose. Now I'm going to take that same M250-1 brush and dip it into some of my BH Cosmetics white concealer while there's still some of that red rum lipstick left on it. And it's going to be the outline color for all the petals. Okay, I'm pretty happy with the outlines of all of the petals, so now I'm going to go in and add some shading. I'm going to pick up Venetian red and red ochre once I get down to the really dark spots, and I'm just going to pick those up on a small little flat brush and a small pointed detailing brush if I need to. I'm so proud of this. I'm just amazed. I'm amazed in my abilities. I'm going to do some leaves now. I'm not going to do too many, just maybe like one over here and maybe one on the other side too. Not sure, but nothing too crazy with leaves. Going to do some thorns just on the bottom. It looks like that's the only spot where they look like that they are. Okay, I am beyond proud of this look. Like, I'm actually super amazed that I was able to pull this all together. So, now there's not much left to do. I might put some gloss on my eyelids, like try the glossy eyeshadow look. And for lips, I think I'm just going to go with a nude pinky color today, probably Exquisite by NYX. I'm going to lightly apply some blush, just the one I normally use by ColourPop, on my cheek without the rose today. For highlight, I'm going to use Ranch by Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. I'm going to put Jeffree Star's Blue Velvet in my waterline really fast. Now I'm going to put the ColourPop Blue Mascara in the shade Blue Ya Mind on my lower lashes. Here's the finished look, guys. Really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!